Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today is your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I would love to bring you guys along with me to cook African food. I would love to share with you step by step how I make my okra stroke ogbono soup. Okay guys, and guys, if today's your first time, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Should in case if I have any of my video, you're gonna be among of the first person to be notified guys. So guys, come with me. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. I hope it's not going to be boring. Let me know your opinion. If you like my food, if it's okay, if I get it, let me know. And let me know how you make your own okra soup, okay, if you're from Nigeria. Okay guys, let's dive to it. So guys, this is what I'm going to be using. I have to go and blend this. This is white onions, we all know onions, and this is scotch bonnet, and this is red pepper. This is big pepper. Pepper. The reason why it's like this, in abroad here we normally freeze most of our things, put it in the freezer, so now it's already defrosed. So I'm going to bring this to blend. So guys, you can see this is the blend of it. So I love this texture. I don't want it to be too blend, I just want it this way, so you can make it very smooth like paste, like cream, but I love this. So guys, the next thing we transfer it, I need to parboil it. I need to bring it to boil. Okay guys, so guys, you boil this for 15 minutes. So guys, we need 1 tablespoon of crayfish, blended crayfish, okay? As this one is boiled, you add crayfish. It's optional if you want, okay? It's just for the taste. So you continue boil it. You have to exclude tomato. There's no tomato, there's only big pepper and scotch bonnet. That is it, okay? With crayfish, with blended crayfish. So guys, I'm going to be boil these prawns, okay, this crab. I'm going to be boil this, okay? You add some water to it. You can hear some noise with the, because I'm cooking. So guys, let me know what you guys. So I normally boil this. You bring this to boil. You add your salt. So we're going to use this. So you don't need to put maggi, or you can put maggi. So you cook this for another 10 minutes roughly. So as you can see, it's boiled. So I'm going to do the transfersion of this. I'm going to transfer this, okay guys. This is my ogbono. When you put it in the freezer, it's gonna be like this. So this ogbono has been inside the freezer for since last year, okay? I bought it from home, so I always buy a lot of it. So that Ogbono is from the freezer, so that is why it looks like that. So the next step now, guys, I'm going to be adding my palm oil direct from Nigeria. So so you're gonna need like maybe like 2 spoons of it. Okay guys, 2 tablespoons of red oil, 3 tablespoons of red oil, guys, the real red oil from Africa, from Nigeria, all the way from Nigeria. So gonna make them together. Mint. So what I'm going to do after this, guys, I'm going to my crayfish that I'm boiled, the prawns, the crabs. So we're gonna add this with the crabs now. So guys, place it there. So they're going to boil together. Okay guys, the next step now, I'm going to be dicing my okra. We all know okra in Nigeria, we all Africa know, including India, we know okra. Okay, I'm going to start, we all know okra, so this is the okra, so I'm going to start dice the okra. Okay guys, no. So I'm going to dice and grate some rest. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing, what I mean by that. I want to crush and I will grate the rest. I will going to bring the rest to graters. I don't know. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So guys, as you can see, it's already melted. Now we get rid of the taste of the oil, of the palm oil, the red oil. So the ogbono is ready, so I'm going to keep this aside, guys. So I'm going to do the transfer of this. So at the end, I'm going to transfer this to this box. So guys, I've already boiled my beef. The meat is already boiled. I just defreeze it. I bring it out from the freezer. I normally cook in bulk, so I will now distribute them in the freezer. If you are the type of person that you do that, does that as well. So it's already boiled. So I defrost this already. It's out from the freezer. I've already boiled all my meats. If you guys want me to show you how you can boil all your beef stock, let me know. So I boil them, I freeze them, so whenever I need them, I will defrost them. So that is what I can, that is how I survive here, because you work and there's no time for you, so you have to boil everything and you can store them in the freezer. Whenever you need them, you just bring them out. So believe me guys, this beef all this food is for me. My kid doesn't really kill with African food. They don't really like beef, so I'm going to be only the one to eat it, unless if I force them. Guys, let me know. Does your children like beef? My children doesn't like, they don't like meat at all. You have to force them everything. They are just, my children, they are very picky. So we are going to transfer this to be. So guys, at this point I'm going to be putting my no maggi. So you can get any maggi you want, any beef stock you want. In Africa it's common, we use no chicken, maggi chicken for everything. Okay, it's normal for us, so it's just kind of caution. And you will know at this point what the amount of salt you want. So that's salt is enough. Okay guys, so we're going to bring this to boil, to just boil them together for 2 minutes, and then guys, I'm going to be right back and continue putting my okra. To turn off that noise. It's just for fertilizer or whatever they call it. I have to turn it off. So guys, I'm going to do greater. Just do whatever you want. Some people used to blend their honey, their okra. So guys, do whatever pleases you. This is how I love making my okra. Guys, so this is the stock fish. Okay, it's called panla. This is the panla. So it's overnight panla. I have to soak it with salt and hot water. Okay, so you can do the same thing. This is just a fish, so you can get any white fish. Okay, we call it white fish here. So just to give it that African taste, like a taste of native food. So that is why I'm going to be using this type of fish. Okay, at this point I'm going to be apply our red pepper, you know, the puree, the one I've already done already at this point. So let me show you guys. So guys, you mix them together and you cover it for another 2 minutes. So it's gonna taste nice, the African taste. Oh, yummy. So at this point guys, I'm going to be adding my stock fish. Okay, okay. So adding your stock fish, so I'm just looking for like native taste. So you put stock fish, all this, so you're going to taste. At this point guys, you can go ahead and add as much water you want. So guys, at this point I'm going to top up a little bit water. Okay guys, you can do the same thing if you want. So I add a little bit of water. Okay, it really tastes nice. I haven't even done. So you cover it for another 2 minutes. Okay, so guys, at this point I'm going to be adding this white fish. Okay, so you can go ahead and do the same. And guys, cover it for another 2 minutes. At this point guys, I'm going to be adding the okra, the one that I've already diced. So guys, at this point the okra and the ogbono have to go first. Okay, so some people allow the okra to go first, but I just prefer this should go first. So you have to mix it thoroughly guys. So I'm using one hand to record, so I want to mix the soap. So guys, at this point you really have to mix it thoroughly. So I'm going to cover this ogbono. I'm going to cover my ogbono then for 1 minute. I'm going to cover it for 2 minutes and I'll be right back. So guys, after 2 minutes, as you can see, they all mix together. Some people doesn't cover their okra, their ogbono, but I prefer cover it so everything would mix together. You to be able to get the nice taste and the strong taste. So the last thing I want to do is to add the okra. Okay, okra cook within seconds. So within 1 minute. I love my okra to really crunch. So I don't like it when it's very tender. I don't like my okra to be well done. I just want to feel the taste of the okra. So I'm going to bring the flame, the gas to I'm going to bring the flame to lower. What I mean to lower is I'm bringing the flame to number 1. Okay, so it's going to be slow cook at this point. So at this point, guys, you don't need to cover it. So you just need the steam. Believe me, guys, ready to go. If you're the type of person like me, I don't like my okra to be well done. So I love the crunchy taste. So I'm going to lower the flame. Okay, so you can go ahead and do the same thing. So within 1 minute, it's ready to go. So guys, I want to know, how do you prefer your okra, your African okra soup? Do you like it to be tender or you like it to be crunchy? I want to hear from you guys. Let me know, how do you make your Ogbono, Nigerian Ogbono stew? I want to know. Thank you for cooking with me, guys. So I'm going to make semolina now. The water is already boiled, so I'm going to be come out from the camera. So as you can see, guys, my okra is ready. So I'm going to be serving it, guys. So I want to know what you guys should think about this okra. Okay, guys, how do you make your own okra? Do you make it very tender? Do you like the crunchy taste like me, or you like it to be well done? I don't like my okra to be well done, guys. Let me know by leaving the comments below. Do you like the way I cook? I don't really like too much oil because I'm trying to watch my weight, so I don't want a lot of calorie. Do you put a lot of oil, palm oil, red oil? I want to know, how do you make your own okra? Leave the comments below and let me know. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make my semolina, then I'll take the picture and stay blessed.